Greetings, hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. You're with me again for the second last time. My name is Airil Haimi, I'm Teech. And for my persuasive presentation today, I'd like to present to all of you a very, very important topic. Mental health is wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we need to remember that in reality, no matter how healthy we are physically, if we are not healthy here in our minds, then everything will go wrong. This is a very serious matter because you need to remember this important, very, very important Latin saying, mens sana in corpore sano. Mens sana in corpore sano. A healthy mind coexists, will work together with a healthy body. So that might be the reason that some days you and I, we feel healthy, we feel everything is okay. We don't have no flu, no cold, no cough. Everything is good, top of the day, and everything is okay, but we feel tired, moody. We don't want to talk to people. We get angry easily. See, that might be a reason that you have to focus on, because it might be your mental health is degrading, or something is making you depressed or sad or unstable mentally. Remember, mens sana in corpore sano. Why is this topic very important? Well, these are statistics from Malaysia, right? Just done in the last 3 to 4, 5 years ago. And this is about Malaysian children who face mental issues. As you can see, some of the issues are not just mental, but they become physical also. Difficulty hearing, remembering, walking. You cannot communicate. And who are at risk? Well, as you can see, girls are more exposed to mental issues, so as students or children who are living in rural areas. But again, it can happen to anyone. It can happen to anyone. How about adults, young adults, teenagers? Well, as you can see, the statistics very clear from 2017. It shows very clearly 1 in 5, 2018, 5.5 million, adolescents. Adolescents, Who are they? Adolescents are teenagers and young adults, just like you. Not me, I'm old. But this is very serious. 1 in 5 are depressed. 2 in 5, they feel anxious. 1 in 10 are stressed. And we can see the dangers are so real because you have issues like that. Suicidal behavior. Right? They feel that they want to take away their lives. Right? You can see that it's very serious. In Kuala Lumpur, in Selangor, and even in Perak, suicide attempts. Right? So it's very serious, as you can see. Okay? It's nothing else that we should do right now rather than focusing first and foremost on our mental health. You and I, we all have to take care of our mental health. But how do you actually take care of your mental health? Well, let's look at this. Let's look at this then. From MSU, so the data says if you have financial stress, headache, insomnia, get organized, make a budget. If you don't sleep enough, then remove distractions. Okay? Techno stress, ability to focus on email, phones and text. When you have so much to respond to, when you go online for online classes, disconnect. Once in a while, disconnect and do physical activities. When you have relationship problems, have an open discussion. When you have illness, injuries, then eat a healthy diet. Prioritize tasks. And also, remember, lastly, Don't forget to build a support network. Make new friends. Never forget the people who love you. People who love you. The people who love you should support you, will help you to avoid mental problems. So these are the common examples of stresses. These are some of the things you can do. Simple things. Getting yourself organized, remove distractions, disconnect yourself, go offline, sleep, eat healthy, things like that. Right? So there are ways that we can help ourselves when it comes to dealing with mental issues. Be careful. The dangers are real. Some people don't just imagine about suicide. They actually, sadly, take their lives because they cannot handle the stress, the mental depression, all that. They can't handle that. At the end of the day, they end up taking their lives. But even if you don't go to that extreme, even though you don't go to the point of taking your own life, mental health issues will actually make your life miserable. You feel down, feel depressed, you feel sad all of a sudden, you feel very moody, you want to talk to people, you get angry easily, nothing works, you can't focus, you can't do any kind of work, you can't do anything, you can't sleep, you can't eat. All of that are the same issues relating to mental issues. It doesn't mean that you will end up dead. But you know, when we live in a kind of stress all the time, when we feel depressed, sad, moody and all that, it's not healthy at all. We might as well be dead. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take action. Turn the knowledge you have now into action. Take care of your mental health, not just yourself, but the people around you. Take care of your family members, and they will take care of you too. Help each other. Take care of your friends will help you too. Take care of each other. You know now what to do. Simple things, nothing complicated here. As you can see from the cute photo just now, you know, organize yourself, remove distractions, go offline, discuss, build networks, take care of your family, take care of your friends, prioritize tasks, eat a healthy diet. All of those must be done. Take action. So now you have the knowledge. It's time to turn your knowledge into action. And finally, remember, act. It's time to act. Time to take action. Act. Action changes things. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me in my persuasive speech. I hope you will take action. I hope you are now persuaded. And remember, mental health is definitely wealth. Thank you so much for joining me in my second last presentation for ELC590. Come back after this with another one, the last one. Happy presenting. Remember, be your story. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.